The fastest way to share secrets securely is through the Zero-Host web interface. Click Start Sharing to begin. Paste your sensitive content. Here we're sharing environment variables with a teammate. Choose your expiry time. We'll set this for 1 hour. Click Create Secure Share. Your share is ready. Note the expiry time and copy the URL. Need mobile access? Generate a QR code. Let's verify the link works. Perfect. We can view the content, change syntax highlighting, download, or copy. Notice the expiry countdown. Once expired, it's gone forever. Share once, forget forever. That's it. Secure ephemeral sharing in seconds with Zerohost. Built for developers. Try it at zerohost.net.